In this video, we are going to show you how to scale content production using Poppy AI. Now, if you want to scale it or you want to have separate groups or separate teams to do each task separately, you want to have different boards by clicking new board here and having them have access to that. I'm going to show it to you later. So usually you just have one board like so, and you put everything here, right? You add groups here, right? You add groups, you have 3 groups here, right? And then you just connect them to a chatbot like so. And then you just give here on share, you just give, make this more public and just copy link so that you can just share it to whoever is going to be working on this. But if you want to scale up, it's quite simple. All we need to do is practically do the same thing, but have different groups for different people. What do I mean by that? I have I have a script writing board here where I'm just going to give access to my script writers, and they're going to have their scripts uploaded here, right? We're going to have, depending on what you're doing, right? You can do competitor research, and all the files or the resources from your competitors is just pretty much here, and your team can work with this Poppy chat and train them to scout out and disseminate whatever your competitors are doing. And likewise, when it comes to topic research, same thing. You have your team for topic research here. They have their resources here. So it's practically just having separate teams doing separate boards. And you can just scale up as much as you want. They can expand on this. They can add a new group. They can add, connect that here. They can actually, if you want to zoom out, they can add a secondary brain to be working with another group that they created for whatever task they want. That's just how you slowly build a second pretty much level to scale up your content strategy using Poppy AI. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we provided on the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Me that bell icon. Will see you on the next video.